Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Jeep owner and you've recently been greeted by that dreaded check engine light, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a common but sometimes tricky fault code. P0344. That's P0344. This code specifically points to an intermittent camshaft position sensor circuit fault. So, what does that actually mean for your Jeep? And more importantly, how do you fix it? Let's get into it. First off, let's understand what the camshaft position sensor does. Think of it as the conductor of your engine's orchestra. It tells the engine control module, or ET, the exact position and rotational speed of the camshaft. This information is crucial for timing the fuel injection and ignition spark perfectly. When this signal is correct, your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. The intermittent part of the P0344 code means the signal from this sensor is consistently failing it. Dropping out, coming back, and generally being unreliable. This can make diagnosis a little more challenging than a complete sensor failure. So, what are the symptoms you might experience with the P0344 code? The most obvious one is the check engine light on your dashboard. But you'll likely notice other issues too. Your Jeep might have trouble starting, or it might take longer to crank over than usual. You could also experience rough idling, engine stalling, or a noticeable decrease in engine power and acceleration. In some cases, your vehicle might go into limp mode, where performance is severely restricted to protect the engine from potential damage. Fuel economy might also take a nosedive. These symptoms can come and go, which lines up with the intermittent nature of the fault. Now, let's talk about the potential causes. While it's easy to jump to the conclusion that the sensor itself is bad, that's not always the case. The P0344 code can be triggered by a few different things. The most common cause is a wiring issue. This could be a loose connection at the sensor or the ECM, a corroded connector, or a damaged wire somewhere in between. Wires in the engine bay are exposed to heat, vibration, and oil, which can cause them to become brittle or frayed over time. Another possibility is a faulty camshaft position sensor itself. Like any electronic component, these sensors can wear out and fail internally, leading to an erratic signal. A less common but still possible cause is related to the mechanical side of things. A failing timing belt or chain can cause the camshaft's timing to be off, which the sensor will detect and report as a fault. Similarly, issues with the reluctor ring part, the sensor read scan, also cause this code. If the ring is damaged, dirty, or loose, it will disrupt the sensor signal. Finally, although rare, a failing ECM could be the culprit, but you should always rule out everything else first. So, how do you go about diagnosing and fixing this P0344 code? Start with the simplest things first. Visually inspect the wiring harness and the connector for the camshaft position sensor. Look for any obvious signs of damage, like burns, breaks, or corrosion. Make sure the connector is seated firmly and the locking tab is engaged. Wiggle the wires around a bit with the engine running, if it's safe to do so, and see if it causes the engine to stumble. This can help you pinpoint a loose connection. If the wiring looks good, the next step is to test the sensor. You can do this with a multimeter or on a cell. You'll want to check for the correct voltage and ground at the sensor's connector. You can find the specific values for your Jeep model in a service manual. If the power and ground are present, you can then test the sensor's signal output while cranking the engine. An oscilloscope is best for this, as it will show you the waveform and reveal any dropouts. If the signal is intermittent or non-existent, it's a good bet that the sensor itself is the problem. Replacing the camshaft position sensor is usually a straightforward job. It's typically located on the cylinder head or near the top of the timing cover. It's often held in by just 1 or 2 bolts. Just disconnect the battery, unplug the electrical connector, remove the old sensor, and install the new one. Make sure to apply a little bit of clean engine oil to the O-ring on the new sensor to ensure a good seal. After replacing the sensor or fixing any wiring issues, clear the fault code with a scan tool and take your Jeep for a test drive. Make sure the check engine light stays off and that the engine is running smoothly. If the code comes back, you might need to look at the more complex causes, like the timing system or the reluctor ring. And that's a wrap on the P0344 fault code for Jeeps. It can be a bit of a headache due to its intermittent nature, but by following a logical diagnostic process, you can track down the problem and get your Jeep running right again. Remember to start with the simple stuff like wiring before you start replacing parts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more DIY repair guides. Drop a comment below if you've ever dealt with this code yourself and share your experience. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.